Today we'll finish up with keyboard binding. I find the keyboard binding, so it's mainly done through the editing of a jwmrc-personal file, which is located in root level .jwm, and then it's this file here. So the first thing I want to show you the main function of a applet wmctrl, which is already installed in almost all the PuppyLinux that I know of. So we'll just open up a terminal, and then we'll go ahead and maximize, and here's a wmctrl help. And if you look at that help section, you can get a glimpse of function that we're going to use. And we're going to use the -x. It tells you, it really tells which program that we want the wmctrl to affect. So, and then S is it tells switch to which specified desktop. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But however, with the wmctrl, the first workspace starts with 0. So, and then A is a activate window by switching to its desktop. So A function does not, it prevents the duplication of the program opening. So given that background, we'll take a brief look at geany.sh, which is what I have it right now. So it opened in the workspace, so it'll be 3, and so is the wmctrl-s is so the instruction is to open it up in 3, which is actually 4, as I said, and it identifies the name of the program, which is Geany. And so this is how you open up any application in a certain a window workspace without duplication. So for this to function, you need to get into wmctrl-rc-personal files. So what I've done is I've assigned a super key and E to execute geany.sh. So that's how, so after you restart the JWM, then you have this function. So if I just put, let me just go to another workspace. Let's say I'm at workspace number 1, and I want to open up a Geany. So if I just super E, it will not open another one, but it'll just go simply one that's already open. So that's how that functions. Browser sh is pretty much the same, except that I've changed to Firefox to open only in the workspace 1. But let me just how I so I want to show you start.sh file, which is one I have is with a super and I. So start.sh is I have yet another small script that tells it to close all the application, any of them that's running in all the workspaces. And after that's done, give it a slight brief pause, and then open up rocks. So rocks sh has been instructed to open 3 rocks here and space 2, and then after that's done, then brief pause, and then Geany opens, and then after a pause again, the browser opens. So let's see how that works. So start.sh is, so if I'm just going to simply super and I is what I'll use now, and you can see the sequence of things that's being performed here. So the browser Firefox opens workspace 1 we'll just close it, and the rocks, 3 of them opens in workspace 2, and then go to the workspace 4. Then the geany is left open again. So that's how this is all pretty much done. So given that, what I want to show you is a personnel file with my all keyboard binding my own preference with all the scripts that's been key bound. So let me just grab, and this is from my FOSSA Pup64. So let me just grab it and copy, and then we'll just go ahead and copy it over to the bookworm jwmrc personnel. So we'll just go ahead and Control A and erase everything. Now I want to paste what I have, so we'll just paste, and then we'll just go ahead and save, and then we'll have to run a jwm restart, because there has been changing configuration file. Now what I can do additionally is go to Control Shift and left arrow, and it's going to go to the window workspace that's at any application that's running. So let me just go Control Shift left arrow, and then Control Shift the right arrow is going to go to the geany again, and then I'm just going to start start.sh with a super I. And then I'm going to close all the application with a Shift, Super, and X, which is my own keyboard binding. So I hope this gives you some idea of how to keyboard bind in PuppyLinux. I hope this is helpful. That's a quick one today.